Hey guys, Justin here with Johnson RV in Fife, Washington. We are the nation's largest premium pre-owned dealership. And behind me, I've got a perfect example of what we do here at Johnson RV. We hand select these from around the country and put them through our own reconditioning process. So you're guaranteed low mileage, very gently used. But let me show you what I'm talking about. Behind me is a gorgeous 2005 Pleasure Way Excel. This is the RD model. These are made up in Saskatoon, Canada, and if you want to talk about quality, look no further than Pleasure Way. These units are all stall built, meaning they're not coming off on an assembly line, and the craftsmanship is like none other. This particular model does sit on the Ford. This is the V10 Ford, so you're going to have plenty of power if you need any towing. That being said, all of this comes in a nice, compact, short little Class B RV. So you're talking a total of 20 feet, and that's going to be before you have a tow package behind you and a spare tire. But the whole shell, you're looking at 20 feet. So get into any regular parking spot. Mentioned this is a gas coach. It is going to be the V10. Exterior, absolutely gorgeous shells. So something that they've done here on this particular model is you're going to notice these flare outs here. It's going to give us a little extra room on the interior. I'm going to feel a little bit wider, and when you're dealing with these smaller Class Bs, every inch is going to make a world of difference. So up above here, we're going to check out our awning here. So even though it's small, it is going to come with all the amenities of a normal RV. So this will protect you from the rain, provide you some shade on those super hot days. On the back here, these panels are going to be the access to your refrigerator, should you need to get in there. We have an exhaust for your furnace here. I will mention that this is rear-wheel drive. It's going to sit on the, again, the Ford chassis, so all your power is coming from back here. Behind here, we do have a 110 duplex, so anything you need to plug in outdoors, you are going to have power for that. Something nice that I really like about the Excel is they offer you this outdoor storage. This is pretty rare to find in a Class B RV, but this is actually really deep. You can put quite a bit of camping stuff in there. Head on to the back here. You do have dual access to be able to get into the interior. Both doors do open. And then you are already set up for towing. The tow capacity on this particular model is at 5,000 pounds. Follow me over to the service side. Oh, I'll mention we are on the Econo line, 350 there too. So Ford, tried and true, everyone knows the name. You can get service essentially everywhere. On this side, we are going to have the back of our water heater here. It is propane and electric. Below is going to be your service area. So that's going to be where you hook up your gray, your black, all that kind of thing. You've got your shore power, and then you've got storage for your sewer hose. You don't want that in your coach for obvious reasons. Just a couple other things back here. You do have an outdoor utility shower. Spray off the pup's feet after going on a hike or toes from a sandy beach. And then under here we do have our propane fill. This is actually where you're going to plug that shore power cord from your coach into the wall. And then you've got your city water connection there. I would open this one, but all this is going to be your generator. It is a gas generator under here, Cummins Awning. But let's check out the inside. These things are super unique. All right, so we are sitting on the interior of the 2005 Pleasure Way Excel RD model. As I mentioned earlier, everything here is handmade. So I'm going to get to show you some of the craftsmanship that they use up in Saskatoon, Canada. We'll start up here in the chassis area. You'll notice that it has this gorgeous wood grain features there, basically just highlighting everything that you'll get with a normal Ford chassis. But Pleasure Way does give it its own little touch. You see you got their classic insignia there. You've got your cup holders, you've got your cruise control. Everything up here is going to be powered, so you've got powered windows, locks, windows, side view mirrors as well. Got your CD player here. All your basic functions, AC, heat, that sort of thing. And as you can see, I'm spun around right now, so these chairs do spin. You do have access here to be able to set up your table should you want to sit up here in the front lounge area for dining, hanging out, whatnot. But we'll look above. Something I am going to point out is Pleasure Way uses solid wood for all of their construction on the interior. So this stuff is truly built to last. This is a 2005, and it looks like it essentially just came off the assembly line. You got a couple skylights here. You can close those at night for privacy. You do have a curtain that will go all the way around the front there too to give you privacy as well. Up here we have our control center. As I mentioned, this is a fully self-contained RV, so you've got your generator here. You've got all your tanks, so gray, black, freshwater, propane, battery. You can check all those right here, which makes it, you know, very nice. This thing does actually pack quite a bit of storage. You notice here we've got a nice big wardrobe. This is actually where one of your tables is kept, but you got tons of space. You got an area to be able to hang hangers with clothes on them. Up above, we do have a convection microwave oven. Makes it nice. You can do all your baking in there as well. Moving backwards into the kitchen area. I do want to just demonstrate this, but we do have solid surface countertops throughout. Nice flush mount sink cover here, stainless steel basin with a stainless steel faucet. Again, tons and tons of storage, and you can tell just by the way I'm opening these, the quality. They're just super tight. You do have dovetail on all of these, and it's something that I wouldn't do in any other RV that I'm going to demonstrate is the quality of these cabinets and shelves. I'm about 160 pounds and I'm jumping on an RV shelf. I would not recommend doing this with any other RV in the industry. Something I like to show all my customers. But coming on to this, we do have a 3-way refrigerator that's going to operate off of your shore power, your battery, or propane. It is essentially up to you unless you put it in the auto setting. You have plenty of power up here. You've got 110 duplex here, plenty of drawer space, cabinetry to be able to store your kitchen goods. You have a dual propane stove top here for cooking indoors with a nice little backsplash in case you want to be making bacon inside or whatnot, something that's splattering. We'll switch spots here though. In the exterior here, or not exterior, but the rear is basically your lounge area. You notice this nice huge couch. We're in that spot where we're flared out on either side of the coach. The reason being is this is going to come down electronically. I'm 6 feet tall. Just want to demonstrate this. I have plenty of space to be able to lay side to side here without a problem. Up above me, you do have your air conditioner, and that does come with a heat pump. Tons of storage all the way around with those same hinges and dovetail construction that I showed you earlier. A little bit more storage here as well. And then I will show you this. You do have a little flat screen Samsung. This does angle out if you want, or you can just lock it closed there. And you also have a Furrion DVD CD player. Last thing I'm going to show you is the bathroom here. Open this up. This is what's called a wet bath. So you've got your shower in your bathroom area. So essentially this is going to be your wand, hooks up to there. You're going to be able to shower here. You do have a curtain to be able to protect all of your cabinetry and whatnot, but this is where you'll be showering and using the restroom. It does come with a toilet as well. So again, 6 feet tall, got plenty of room in this guy, but you're going to want to see this for yourself. This is a rare gem. For us here at Johnson RV. So give us a call, 253-286-0833. Talk to you soon.